Good evening. The next one I'm gonna introduce is expression. Okay, let's go to our IDE. Now this one. So let me follow the same rule. Okay, this is the expression. Okay, so what is expression looks like? It looks like this. Equals, okay? And you put a any statement here. Okay, then let me do why? Okay, and others. And here you can call get account. So okay, so what is the expression? Expression is whatever you put in the expression, it's gonna be wrapped in out.print. So all the values, or what should I say? The thing you put between the tags are inserted, are wrapped in out.print method. So what's gonna be is this eventually under JSP service method. So in the JSP service method, when you see this one, eventually in the JSP service, it's gonna turn something like this: out.print print count. This piece of information gonna turn into like this. Okay, out.print count is this count in under this method JSP service. Okay, that's why if you have a semicolon here, that means in the out.print this method it has a semicolon. It's gonna have a compiler error, because when you call a method in Java, you cannot have a semicolon. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, you cannot have. The IDE already kind of like give you error. This count is which one? This count is this one, and this is this count. Oh, sorry. Okay, deploy successfully. Now let's make a call. Otherwise, it won't generate. Okay, good. And I have this one, and you will see 1 and 0. 1 is printed by this one, and 0 is printed by this one. Now let me show you the code. Library. Where is the library? I cannot see library. I cannot see library. So this one is kind of useless now. Why? So I have to using this one. Library. Okay, open library, then go to cache. It's kind of like a hidden. JetBrains, and this one, Tomcat. Okay, demo2 work, Catalina, localhost, this Apache, JSP. Okay, here. Open inside the IntelliJ, and now let's do horizontal or vertical. Okay, sorry, not horizontal. So now let's scroll down. This piece we already talked about in last video, right? It's for scribblet. Now let's see this expression. We have expression. Got it? And now take a look at, guys. When I have expression is have this percentage sign and equal sign, and you have a count. This expression turned into out.print count, and then I have this expression to call getCount method, and it has out.print, then getCount. Okay, and all of them is under JSP service method. And that's why when I add a semicolon here, it means when I call, it's gonna become like this way. Out.print, and here have a semicolon, then you're gonna have a compiler error because that's not the correct syntax to make a method call in Java, right? So that's important, okay? Don't have a semicolon. Just give the variable or method call, don't have a semicolon, okay? If you don't trust me, let me show you. If I have some semicolon when I deploy, it's already have warning, you know, here. Deployed, and then we go and access again. You're gonna see here, you have an error and unable to compile class for JSP, and the syntax error like 42 in that JSP syntax error on token, which means this part it cannot convert to be it cannot compile the class, okay, because you have a syntax error. So that is expression, pretty easy to understand, right? I have to give you example, compare the generated class, okay? Hope you master this piece, okay? Not difficult. That's it for this video, and we talked about expression. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.